All right, today we're going to compare two hammers. We've got our traditional body hammer, and we're going to compare that with the Bluejawz Carbide tipped shaping hammer. We've got multiple warped blades straight out of heat treat. There's been 2 temper cycles, and we're going to see how long it takes to straighten each blade. Let me get the camera turned around and we'll get started. So here's the second knife. Doesn't appear to be quite as bad as the other one. Still warped, you can see. Just flip it over. See, it rocks. This appears to be pretty much in the center as well, just like the last one. So we'll use this 15 thousandths shim just to see where we're at. And you can see we're pretty much in that same area. It stops here. You can see we're pretty much right in the middle there. And so this is cupping this way. So we're going to flip it over. And once again, we're going to hammer kind of in the center section here. And you can see the rock. So our goal is going to be to hammer this area. It's going to stretch the material so it rolls out, evens out. Flip it over. Once again, same thing. So our goal is we're going to hammer this area and see what that does for us. All right, so we're set up. We're going to start with the knife that had the least amount of warp. You can see we've still got a warp in it. Let's try out our body hammer. Let's see how that does. So here's the line that we made. We're going to try to stretch the material so the knife is bent this way, opposite of what you would think that you'd want to do. And we're going to hammer in the center area, and let's see what happens. All right, so let's see. Nothing. Let's do it a little more and see what happens. All right, let's take a look. Nothing. Let's grab our shim. 15 thousandths. Let's see if that's done anything for us here. Nothing. All right. Let's try the Bluejawz hammer. So we're going to do the same thing. Here's our line. Small light taps. See where we're at. So you can see it's pulling the material a little bit. Let's keep going. All right, see where we're at. Much better. Almost no rock. Let's check it with the shim. 15,000 shim. Look at that. Nothing. Not even close. Slightest little bit. So let's hit it a little bit more. We'll check it on the surface plate. You got to be careful not to go too much, because then we're going to go in the opposite direction. Seems pretty close. So we'll take this over to the surface plate, see where we're at. All right, back on the surface plate, let's see what we got. So there's our line. You can see some of these peen marks. Let's see the slightest little bit of divots. We weren't stretching the material. Nothing of any real depth. And we are flat. Very happy with it.